If you're already paying for ChatGPT, here's the big question. Do you actually need done on command, or can ChatGPT do everything it does? That's exactly what we're going to find out. In this video, I'll compare these two tools across content creation, website building, video generation, business automation, brand memory, ease of use, pricing, and overall value for money. By the end, you'll know which one is the better choice for your business, and whether done on command is worth buying if you already have ChatGPT. Let's get started. Let's clear up one important misconception. These tools are not direct competitors, but they do overlap. ChatGPT is a general-purpose AI assistant. You can ask it almost anything. Write content, brainstorm ideas, generate code, translate languages, analyze documents, answer questions, create marketing copy. It's incredibly flexible, but you often have to tell it exactly what you want. Done on command takes a different approach. Instead of giving you one chatbot, it organizes AI into business-focused departments like pages, videos, images, emails, social media, lead magnets, front desk. The goal is to reduce setup and repetitive prompting by providing dedicated workflows and business context. If you've never used AI before, done on command is probably easier. Everything is already organized. You simply choose the department and give instructions. ChatGPT is more flexible. But flexibility also means learning how to write better prompts. Winner. Beginners. Done on command. Advanced users. ChatGPT. Both tools write blog posts, emails, sales pages, product descriptions, scripts. ChatGPT generally gives you more control over tone and iteration. Done on command focuses on speed with structured business workflows. Winner. Customization. ChatGPT. Business workflow. Done on command. Here's where they differ. ChatGPT can help you write website copy and even generate HTML or code, but you'll still need to build and publish the site yourself or use another platform. Done on command includes dedicated page generation workflows intended to simplify creating business pages within its ecosystem. Winner. For non-technical users, done on command. For developers, ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help with video ideas, scripts, titles, descriptions. But it doesn't natively produce finished AI spokesperson videos. Done on command includes video generation features and spokesperson capabilities depending on your plan. Winner. Finished marketing videos. Done on command. Planning and scripting. ChatGPT. Both platforms support AI image creation in different ways. Compare. Image quality. Editing tools. Workflow integration. Speed. Ease of use. If your workflow is mostly marketing assets, done on command keeps everything in one place. If you're looking for broad creative experimentation, ChatGPT's image tools may offer more flexibility depending on your subscription. One interesting feature of done on command is business memory. You can store information about your brand, products, services, voice, business details. That helps keep outputs consistent across different departments. ChatGPT also offers memory features for eligible users, but they're designed as general conversational memory rather than a business-specific workspace. Winner. Dedicated business organization. Done on command. General AI assistance. ChatGPT. ChatGPT excels at helping you think. Done on command is designed to help you execute recurring business tasks inside one platform. If your daily workflow includes creating pages, emails, images, videos and social content, having those tools together may reduce context switching. Pricing changes over time, so always check the official pages. Generally, ChatGPT uses a recurring subscription model for premium access. Done on Command has been promoted with a one-time launch offer, though plans and features can vary by edition. Think beyond price alone. Consider whether one tool replaces several others in your workflow. ChatGPT Pros. Extremely versatile. Excellent reasoning. Great for coding. Strong writing assistance. Huge ecosystem. ChatGPT Cons. Requires better prompting. Doesn't provide a complete business workspace. Some advanced features require a subscription. Done on Command Pros. Business-focused interface. Dedicated departments. Faster marketing workflows. Integrated content creation. Designed for agencies and marketers. Done on Command Cons. Less flexible than a general AI assistant. Outputs should still be reviewed before publishing. Best value depends on whether you'll actually use multiple departments. Buy ChatGPT if you need research, coding, brainstorming, writing, everyday AI assistance. Buy Done on Command if you run a business, manage clients, build landing pages, create marketing assets regularly, want a more structured business workflow. Can they work together? Absolutely. One practical setup is to use ChatGPT for deep research, strategy, and refining ideas, then use Done on Command for producing and organizing business assets if its integrated workflows fit your needs. They don't have to be an either-or choice. If I had to choose only one AI tool for general-purpose work, ChatGPT remains the more versatile option. However, if your priority is streamlining business content creation and marketing workflows from a single dashboard, Done on Command offers a more specialized experience that may save time, provided its features match your needs. The right choice depends less on which tool is better, and more on how you work. If you're interested in Done on Command after watching this comparison, check the first link in the description to see the current launch pricing, available bonuses, and the latest feature list before making your decision. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest AI software reviews, comparisons, and launch coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.